Good morning everyone. I'm just updating the progress on this mid-terrace house in Bacup, which we are converting into a 5-bedroom HMO over 3 stories. On the ground floor there will be the kitchen, dining lounge, and we'll have the first bedroom at the front of the property. On the first floor there'll be a further 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. And on the top floor will be the 5th bedroom. This property will be ready in about a month. Once this property is done up, we will receive a long lease with guaranteed income, no voids, no management. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact. Have a great day.